Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I have another video to show you guys how you can log in into your SurePayRoll employee account. First of all, just open up any search engine that you are using on your laptop. And after doing so, go into its search bar and just type in SurePay Login. And after doing so, it will take you to a new screen where you can see different results that pop up on your screen. Just hit on login, that is the first result on your screen. After doing so, it will take you to the official website of SurePayRoll, where you can see customer login or accounts login. Go into accounts login section and hit on accountants login. After doing so, it will take you to a new interface. Here, you can see you have been taken into a new interface where you need to put your username correctly in order to sign in. Here, put your correct username for your payroll account that you have already registered. And after doing so, click on Remember Me if you are using a private computer, but I would not recommend this if you are on a public computer. And hit on Next after putting your correct username. And after doing so, you need to put your correct password in order to successfully sign into your employee account of SurePayroll. Now, after putting your password as well, now you will be signed in into your account. So guys, this was for this video. I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.